What's up, guys? So I love those Pavo tubes from Nanlite, so I ordered another one of their lights. They have I ordered the Nanlite Forza 60. They make a B version now that's bicolor light, but I'm starting out with the regular 60 and see how that one goes. I also ordered the expandable thing to run Sony's type batteries on there, so you can make it more portable. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and check it out. Alright, so here it is. Comes in nice little regular box. Got a little handle on there so when it gets delivered you can not drop it and carry it all in everywhere. So let's open this thing up. And another bag inside of the box. Some plastic, keep everything nice and clean. Boom. This bag is pretty sweet. So it's got dual handle, Velcro grip there. Looks like got some little Velcro straps here. You can, I guess, put stands to and whatnot. You can run a over-the-shoulder harness here, or strap, whatever I guess you want to call it. Put your business card in there, your name, whatever type of little logo, so everybody knows whose it is. It's got little feet on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about messing up the actual fabric. You can slide around on there. So you open the handles, dual zippers, spins around. Oh, look at this. It's got little clips here to keep the top from going all the way back. And there's the shoulder strap. You can clip to the sides there and carry it. So, got a manual, gotta have a manual. Pass inspection, check that. So we got power cable. It's got nice little labels and stuff on it. Let's open this up since I saw that. So it's got the Velcro strap, but it's got a pretty sweet little name on there, you know, the little logos and stuff. And charge pack. This has got the V-mount built into it right there. Pretty cool. Nothing else in that. Some little placeholders. Silica packet, we'll check that. And there's the light. So it's a nice little LED light. Sweet little carbon fiber style look to it. Kind of see it there. Got a fan, nice venting on the bottom. Of course, got the adjustment there to when you mount it up. Got another one here. So off and on switch here. Power thing. All the adjustments, and then how bright and stuff it is for here. So pretty cool. And then obviously there's the bulb in there. I'll wait till I get the oh, there we go. So you can see the bulb there, then this safety thing clips in there. So added cushion blocks in there, so I guess you can get more accessories, you can fit everything in there. That's stuck in there good. There you go. Nice little reflecting in there. So that just clips into that. See if there's anything else in here. No, just extra area there for storing stuff. So what you do is you pull this bad boy out. It's a little quarter of a turn. And you can slap this one in there, a little quarter of a twist the other way. Boom, there you go. So it's a pretty sweet little unit here. And it's not that big. It's like it's, you know, the size of your regular hand there. And the weight, it's not very heavy. I mean, it's light enough to where if you have, you know, the power pack on your hip or something you're carrying in the other hand, could easily aim this around, have someone run around with you. Pretty sweet little unit here. So let me grab the other thing I got here. So this is the battery handle for the Forza 60. So it's made so you can either just hold it, or you can strap it to the side and then or to a pole or light stand, sorry, and then power it there. But it's powered off of Sony style batteries there. So you can, it's got a cool handle here, so you can mount this. No more adjustments than I was expecting there. So you can mount this to there, put the batteries on there, and you can total run and gun. So that's pretty sweet. But you also, if you want to just have the battery powered and then use it on a light stand, you can put a light stand into there. So total, be out in the middle of nowhere, have some sweet lighting. Oh, looks like we got some little legs here too, so that's pretty cool. So that way you can stand by itself. Oh yeah, that's super cool. So that's pretty sweet. I didn't even know about that. So I got the legs here that flip around, just folds back into itself there. You don't even notice it. Then in the back, it's like a little mini tripod. You just take power cable, put it into there. So let me grab a couple batteries here and we'll see how this works. So looks like you do one going down, the other one going up. So it looks pretty beefy once you have the batteries on there, but it's still not that heavy, but it's decent weight. You instantly hear the fans turn on. See all the adjustments there. So it does have adjustability from pretty much 1%. You can get it to exactly 1. And it gets pretty darn bright there. And here's all the different modes. So we got Storm, Flash 3, Bad Bulb. Oh, you can see a light little adjustment there. TV. So I'm not sure exactly how many different options there are for the effects there, but it's pretty cool that they have them in there. And then you just have it off for as regular, and you can crank it up, and it gets pretty bright. So that's pretty sweet. And they also make soft boxes and everything to just clip into there. I'm going to try it out first just like this and see how it is. So you just boom. She instantly overpowers everything there. So pretty cool. Definitely something I'm going to recommend. I can already tell. It's pretty sweet that it comes in a case. I'll probably order a second one. I just wanted to see how they looked first and test it out, which is in the single one. I'm not sure if I'll get the B or just stick with the regular one for now. But yeah, this is having this bag and everything. It's awesome. So stay tuned to see this in action. I'll be testing it probably this weekend or next week. I've got a couple little interview videos that I've got planned. So make sure and check it out. I'll put the link in the bottom below. All right, take it easy, guys.